Hey there, are you ready to witness something extraordinary?
Welcome to the most incredible academic fest of the year.
We are thrilled to invite all parents, guests, and friends to join us at Euphony Breaking the Barrier.
Euphony is not just an event, but it's an experience.
It's a celebration of talent, knowledge, and creativity.
Get ready for mesmerizing poetry performances, electrifying theatre performances, and thought-provoking math and science models.
Witness the brilliance of our academic minds as we showcase our innovative projects and groundbreaking ideas.
Euphony is all about exploring new horizons and embracing our cultural diversities.
It's a platform where different great talents and ideas come together, celebrating unity and diversity. Students and friends, join us on 2nd December at Rockwoods International School to witness brilliance in action. Make memories, share laughter, and celebrate the spirit of learning together.
See you at Euphony, breaking the barriers.
Don't miss out the magic on 2nd December 2023.
See you at Euphony, breaking the barriers. Don't miss out on the magic on 2nd December 2023.